Hey guys, this is the Range Rover Sport SVR. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. But let's get started. So this is the Range Rover Sport, which Range Rover's been producing for many years, and this is the SVR version, which is the Special Vehicle Operation, which means it's a very hardcore Range Rover Sport, very beefy, much more power than the standard one. And over here you've got the infotainment system, which in my opinion looks really beautiful. And they've kind of just done like a facelift version of this car. So basically the old version of the car had like buttons and stuff, but it's pretty much all digital now. You can control everything by touching it over here. You can control the volume using this, and can control the driving modes by touching this. You can change the seat settings. So if you don't like massage it and stuff like that, you can do that. And you can also control the climate system from here. I've got to say, it's a really nice place to be in, and it's a very nice high resolution display. It's really bright as well. You can control the vehicle settings from here. So obviously you can control the exhaust. So if you really want it to crackle and pop and annoy your neighbours, you can use this. Additional vehicle settings from here. Obviously when I start the car up, then they'll appear. You can change the driving modes from here, and you can change the gears using this. You've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and if you shift it left, you can actually shift the gear up and down manually. You've got the electronic parking brake, and over here it's got a really nice piano black metallic finish. So if I just push this over here, I've got space for 2 cup holders and space for some change over here. I'll just close that. And it's a very nice, very pretty dual tone interior with red and black stitching, and you've got these sporty bucket seats with touches of Alcantara on the side, but it's pretty much all leather seats, perforated. And I've got to say, it's really beautiful. And if you can notice in that top left corner over there, it's got the SVR logo over here as well, and another SVR logo on the digital dash, which you wouldn't get on the normal car. And you can control the windows electronically from the right side over here, and these are the seat memory settings, and you can also lock and unlock the vehicle. Got huge mirrors. For a big car like this you probably need some, and the Meridian sound system.